Let's start from scratch. So I'm going to start with a new level. So file, new level, empty level. Don't save out what we have already. I'm going to grab a cube, drop it in there. I'm going to scale it down. We'll do like maybe zero point 0.2 here. And then on the X and Y, we'll do 10. I'll grab a rock, drop that in the scene. Let's hit Control W again. Move that over here. Now what you'll notice is when I go to press play, a couple things. One, I'm going to hit escape now. I don't have any lights in my scene. So let's go ahead and just to make things a little bit easier to see, I'm going to go to materials and I'll just drag this rock. And I'll go to lights and drop a directional light in here. Doesn't look bad. I'll bring the intensity down just a little bit. Okay, so let's see, when I press play now, you can see I can move around. And whenever it gives you, it's always going to kind of give you this lighting needs to be rebuilt. You can hit build here. It'll build everything, the textures, the lighting, and everything. It doesn't mean that you can't play. It's just saying that let's see, map check complete. There we go. Okay, we're good. So it's done baking out the lighting. You can see now we get a pretty good result. Now you'll see as I walk through, I can actually pass through these objects, right? And that's not what I want. So I'm going to go ahead and escape. I'm going to select this rock. I'm going to right click. Actually, let's do it over here. So I can right click in here and you can see edit SM rock. Go ahead and click that. Now here's all of our rock properties. So it's a pretty nice model. And you'll see up here there's collision. So if I click on collision, this is pretty expensive. This is a mesh collider. So that's what the collision sort of looks like. So if I was to add mesh collision onto this object, it would cover every one of these faces. What we can do is we can do collision, and it says add sphere, simplified, capsule, box. I tend to like to go with a box collider. Now, if you want it to, I'm going to hit R here. You can scale down the box if you want it to be a little bit thinner. You can rotate it. So say you have like some sort of attribute where you want him to be able to jump, but he always slides down. Something like that. I'm going to leave it as default for now. Alright, let's go ahead and close this out. Now when I press play, I can't actually move. See how I'm stopped completely? I can't actually move through these objects, but I can still move through. Oh, actually, I think my cube already had it on. So you can see here, and that's our collision. I'm going to go ahead and hit escape to get out of the scene. So for now, I'm going to end the video here where we talk a little bit about collision and setting up props. Um, Potentially in the next video, I think we're going to start coding out an actor.